Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a little bit of wildfire, and I'm going to be doing a world trip. Okay, so we got the actual bunk, and look at the sunset. So pretty, so pretty. Okay guys, you ready to go? Let's start again from the start. Okay, ready to go?